Hello everyone, welcome to Lime Road. My name is Tejasvini and it is officially my favorite time of the year. Diwali is around the corner and I'm sure there are lots of taash parties that you guys need to attend. Today I'm going to show you how to dial up your glam quotient for all those Diwali parties. I will be creating a look which is very simple. The products are easily available on Lime Road and they are super budget friendly. So guys, we have the gorgeous Sudatta here with us today. I will start by priming her face with the Faces Canada All-Time Pro Perfecting Primer. This primer will do a beautiful job of filling up the fine lines and wrinkles under your eyes. So for her base makeup, I will be using the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation Plus Concealer. This is a full coverage foundation and that's why I don't need to keep adding concealer. Wherever you create coverage, just push the foundation there and do not blend it aggressively, because if you do, you will lose the coverage. I'm now going to set her face with a compact powder from Color Bar. I will also make sure that I powder the areas where we've created extra coverage. I'm using the Color Bar Stunning Brow Pencil in the shade Chestnut. After the eyebrows, it's time to prime the eyelids. I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Primer, which is the HD eyeshadow primer. This will help counteract any discoloration on the eyelids and it will also keep the eyeshadow lasting through the night. So I'm using the Wet n Wild Color Icon eyeshadow palette. This one is called Comfort Zone. I'm taking this transition color on my fluffy brush. I'm slowly building up this color in the crease and taking it in the outer corner as well. I am now taking this deep green shade from the palette on a flat eyeshadow brush and packing this onto the eyelids. I'm going to blend out and soften these edges with my fluffy blending brush. When you're applying a dark eyeshadow, make sure that you build up the intensity equally everywhere and that it doesn't look patchy. I'm picking up the same transition color on my pencil brush and applying it here just below the lash line. I'm taking the Faces Magnetized Kajal and just applying this generously into her waterline. On my pencil brush, I'm taking this deep green eyeshadow again and I'm just smudging her kajal with it on her lower lash line. I want to create that nice smoky dark effect on the lower lash line as well. With the Faces Canada Magnetized Dramatic Volumizing Mascara, I am just going to create lots of drama and volume on the lashes. I'm going to start with blush. This is the Faces Glam On Perfect Blush in the shade Hot Pink 02. This blush has a hint of shimmer to it, so it will leave a beautiful luminous flush on the skin. To contour and carve out her face, I'll be using the Sugar Contour de Force Mini Bronzer in the shade Taupe Topper. Blend out the contour lines nicely so that it looks seamless and there are no hard lines. I'm now going to use this highlighter from the Color Bar Flawless Touch Contour and Highlight Kit. And on my fan brush, I'm just sweeping this over the tops of her cheekbones and above her eyebrow. For her lips, I'm going to use this beautiful color from Sugar. Her makeup is complete, but now I'm going to add some lashes and earrings to finish off the look. That was quite simple, wasn't it? I hope you're easily able to recreate this and turn some heads at your parties. Hope you have a really glam festive season. Until next time, bye guys!